in fact, the
Ankit, I just want to come in. I just want to come in. The reason being that the cavalcade has pulled in. The Gandhis have reached the Formula One rest house. These are the live visuals that are filtering in right now. You can see the entire cavalcade pull in. They've been taken there in preventive custody is what we are getting to know. All of this after Rahul Gandhi was roughed up a little. He actually fell down in the melee where Congress workers were lathi charged, some of them bleeding. What we also know, a lot of Congress workers are now making their way towards this guest house. But as Ankit was pointing out, it's been completely barricaded. Our reporters also walking in there. However, these are visuals, live visuals that India Today has exclusively that are filtering in as we speak. The Gandhis being brought in. That's the security of the Gandhis. Those you see in the dark grey safari suits are the Gandhi security. Mind you, from SPG, the security was moved to the CRPF, and both Priyanka and Rahul were guarded by them. There you can see Rahul Gandhi entering, and Priyanka Gandhi, we're going to try and see where she is. But that is Rahul Gandhi, and he's been taken into preventive custody alongside Priyanka, and that's Priyanka Gandhi. They will be kept here. There is no time frame as to how long they're going to be in preventive custody. However, what you did here is the police is trying to coerce them into turning around. However, last with what we had heard of Rahul Gandhi, he had made it very clear that no matter what the cost, he will make sure that he reaches Hathras. That's not happening anytime soon, and these are visuals coming in right now. Once again, what you see this cavalcade is the cavalcade of the Uttar Pradesh police escorting both the Gandhis, Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi in preventive custody, and mind you, for both in preventive custody for the first time. It's the first time that's happened. Priyanka Gandhi has been detained twice before, but for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, this is the first time that both of them have been taken into preventive custody, possibly. And, you know, one really has to underline the fact, the first time we've seen a Gandhi in the middle of a lathi charge. You had Rahul Gandhi, who was roughed up, who was thrown to the ground, walking with, I beg your pardon, Congress workers, where the cops lathi charged them, barricaded them. So, you know, these are first visuals on many counts. Of course, the fact that these visuals are exclusive is separate, but first visuals on many counts. The Gandhis first time being taken, both Rahul and Priyanka for the first time being taken into custody. Preventive here, preventive custody there. You see Randeep Surjewala has also walked in with the Gandhis. And let's try and connect right now to Ankit Tyagi. Ankit, have you found yourself way to the F1 Formula One guest house?
All right, we are running towards it. As you can see behind me, that's the place where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been, in fact, kept. What we have been told is that Rahul Gandhi was traveling in a separate vehicle. He is already inside.
Both are inside. Ankit, get yourself there. We're going to come right back to you. Both of them are inside. Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, both of them are inside. These are visuals that are coming in. You see that Rahul Gandhi entering, and right after him, Priyanka Gandhi enters with, of course, a posse of policemen around them. There's Randeep Surjewala there as well. We could see him in those visuals. Both of them are now have been taken into preventive custody. What happens from here on? How long will they be in preventive custody? Will they agree to turn around? Because the police is saying they're going to let them go if they decide to turn around and not pursue going to Hathras. There is Section 144 at play, and both the Gandhis were walking with Congress workers to Hathras. It was about 116-kilometer distance before where they would stop near the Jewar Toll Plaza, and from there on they decided to walk. However, a lot of Congress workers decided to walk with them, which was in violation of Section 144. The Uttar Pradesh police then cracked down on them on the highway. There was lathi charge. There was Rahul Gandhi, who was roughed up. He actually fell down. There are visuals of him actually falling down in the melee, and that is when the police came in, forcibly picked up both Rahul and Priyanka, put them in the car. Heavy drama played out then with the cadre of the Congress actually lying in front of the car that both the Gandhis were in, which again resulted in a round of lathi charge. A lot of them are hurt, and then the car was moved in express speed on the expressway to the Formula One guest house. visuals of Priyanka Gandhi there that you can see on your television screen. She's sitting it out. Rahul Gandhi is also there along with Randeep Singh Surjewala. So what happens from here on remains to be seen. I want to connect right back to Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us right now, who's just walking and making his way. That's Randeep Surjewala. You see that man in the grey mask. That is Randeep Surjewala. A lot of strategizing the Congress pretty much needing to do, but one can easily say this is a day of firsts for the Gandhis. The first time that they've been taken into preventive custody. For the first time, we've seen the Gandhis in midst of a lathi charge on a political protest. Usually, we've never seen them a part of this. For the first time, we did see Rahul Gandhi get roughed up and actually falling to the ground in the chaos that ensued during the lathi charge. Connecting back to Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us right now outside the Formula One guest house. Ankit, can you see the presence of any other Congress workers there as you walk to it?
A lot of Congress workers have started coming here. You can also see the police presence right where we are at this moment. Just about 100 meters from where I'm standing is where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been kept. There are, in fact, some policemen and some Congress workers, those who have been able to, in fact, walk from the main gate. I will show you on the other side as well. The other Congress workers and some police vehicles, in fact, also moving on the other side. We're just trying to make our way, Preeti, to where exactly both Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been kept in detention right now. But it is possibly the most appropriate place that the police could have found. This is a completely secluded place inside the Buddh International race Formula One race car circuit. And it is quite far. It's in fact more than 2 kilometers far from the gate where the police has completely stopped, vehicles to come in. It's only the police vehicles which are now coming in, and a lot of Congress workers just walking, trying to make their way to where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi are. If you can see those vehicles, that's the police, vehicles. There, we're trying to find out. We'll just be back. We'll just, try and find out exactly where.
Ankit, we'll come back to you. Yes. We'll come right back to you. You figure out exactly where they've been detained, but these are shots of their detention. So we do have the shots you can see on your television screen. A lot of Congress workers as well, a lot of them, some of them pretty much the core team of Rahul Gandhi as well. They've been taken now to the Formula One guest house. You saw Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi both enter it. These are exclusive visuals. What happens from here on, that's the big question. Will the Gandhis relent and turn back to Delhi, or will they stick to their demand that they go to Hasrat? Well, that's the Hathras, yes. That's the latest that is coming in right now. These are visuals of the Formula One guest house to give our viewers a bit of semblance of where this is. This is very close to the Jewar Toll. Jewar Toll is where both the Gandhis' cars was stopped. That is when, because Section 144 was at play, that is when both of them decided to walk to Hathras. Congress workers who were with them decided to walk alongside. After about half hour of walking, there was a crackdown by the Uttar Pradesh police as they were in violation in terms of numbers of Section 144. Lathi charge was used. There was a fair amount of chaos. Rahul Gandhi was pushed around. He even fell. All right.